Okay, hi guys. Today I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my chicken coop. Look, baby girl, we got our chicken coop now.
Mama's gonna get mad at you. Yeah.
What is a diesel then? Come here. That's not for baby girl. Look at the way she walked by. Tiptoe. Daddy hurt you. Huh? So Daddy, why are you hurting me, Daddy? Don't hurt me, Daddy. Hi, baby girl. What you doing, knock knock? Hi, pretty. Pretty girl. Oh, wow, what's that? Give kisses to mommy, please. Can you give kisses to mommy? Huh? Can you give kisses? Give kisses. Boop, 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 boop.
Hey, how about you don't go over there? Hey, how about you don't touch things? Hey, no. You're about to get hand smacked.
And you're gonna be like crybaby.
Mama says you're a crybaby.
Are you a crybaby? My baby is independent. My baby will eat on her own, right? Right? And then you eat a lot of those kind of food, and then you can just watch Dave and Ava on her own. Yeah. But you stink now. You need to shower. I'm actually on a sweater right now. Already fall season here in Fargo, North Dakota, and it's a little bit cold already. It's not cold like snow time, but it's starting to get cold. But anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my chicken coop. Yes, finally I got a chicken coop. We ordered this one like way back April, and then we arrived here. It got delivered like 3 months after, or I think 4 months. That was way back June or July, something like that. But this isn't an anniversary gift. Okay, just to let you know, here in Fargo, North Dakota, we live within the city. It's like 5 minutes going to the downtown. For the chicken, you are only allowed at least 4 to 5 or 3 to 4 chickens within the area, or else you're gonna be reported to the city. But yes, we got 4 chickens, so hopefully they will lay eggs. We bought the chickens of our Filipino friends. They lived in Fargo Falls, so they brought it here, and then so far they gotten so big now. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what my chicken coop looks right now, and then the chickens as well. Have any questions about owning a chicken coop within the city proper, or where did we buy this? And I'm just gonna go ahead and put the link down below on this video, and you can just message me or anything. This is actually the food basin, so you can see there the feeds or their food, and then this is the where you can just simply open it and put it there. And then also they have this windows, you can lift it up. This is where they sleep at night. Kind of little stairs over there. So my husband put an extension so they have like enough space to like, I'm cold, so they have enough space to like roam around. We bought this little dog house as well, their place to go. So this is the water basin. This is how the water basin, so we just have to open it and then fill some water. So it came with the panel, like this one. Let me just go here. I'm not sure if they will really survive during the snow time with this, but yeah, they came with this panel, and then all you have to do is just to cover it over here, so like this. Yeah, so we have some beddings. We bought some food. This is where we stock their food. They're my chickens. We got two white chickens, and then brown. Get out! Get out! Get out, chickens! Get out! There's the other one there. She doesn't want to go out, but it's fun. So if in case they're not gonna lay eggs until next year, I'm just gonna kill them and then have some isaw. I miss eating isaw, the chicken feet as well. I mean, we can buy chicken feet here, but then the isaw or the intestine itself or the gizzards, we can't. It's so hard to find one. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and you guys have a great day. It's cold.